Alright, this is a continuation of 5, and 5, 7. Alright, so this one looks like a fraction equal to a fraction, so I'm going to cross multiply. So the top times the bottom is 8 times 9z. That's going to equal the other side, which is a 4z minus 3 times 5. So I'm going to make that a 5 times 4z minus 3. Alright, so let's see. 8 times 9 is 72, so that gives me 72z equals, remember on the right side I got to distribute that 5. So 5 times 4z is 20z minus 5 times 3 is 15. Alright, so what I need to do is subtract 20z from both sides so I can get the z's over here. Alright, 72 minus 20 gives me 52z. That's going to equal negative 15. Alright, so remember, I need to make that a 1z, so I'm going to divide both sides by 52. So that cancels, and I got my z. Alright, so let's see, negative 15 divided by, let me clear that, negative 15 divided by 52. It's going to give me a decimal, so I'm going to hit math and enter again. So if it'll reduce it, it would do it here, but notice I still get what, a negative 15 over 52. Final answer. So the calculator at least lets me know if they reduce or not. Alright, this is a formula. I got V over Z equals D over B. They want me to solve it for the V. So this is almost like the other ones. If you want to get rid of the fractions, you can cross multiply this. So the capital V times the B gives me a capital B, V, little b. That's going to equal the other side, which is a capital Z times a D. So capital Z times the D. Now, I got V times B. I want to solve it for the V. So since the V is multiplying by the B, we need to divide both sides by the B so that it cancels out. So V times B divided by B will equal to Z times D divided by B. So what I did over here, I got to do to that side. So notice the B's cancel. All that's left is my V. And since none of these are like terms, we can't do nothing. So that's going to stay as ZD divided by B. Okay? Alright, let's see what number 10 has. Alright, number 10 has a little t equals. Also remember, when you write these letters in on your answers, if it was a capital letter when they gave it to you, you got to put them in as capital letters. And small letters, you got to write them as small letters. Alright, so I got t equals parentheses v plus x, close parentheses, times m all over 2. And I'm going to solve that for that little m. Alright, so watch this. I'm going to treat the t like it's over a 1, because now I got a fraction equal to a fraction. So I'm going to cross multiply. This t multiplies by the 2, which gives me a 2t. And then over here, all this times 1 is just going to give me a v plus x times my m still, since all that we had down there was a 1. Now, I'm not going to distribute this because that would put the m times both of these. But since I'm solving for the m, watch what I do. Remember, the m is being multiplied by this, what's in the parentheses. So we're going to divide both sides by what's in these parentheses. I'm going to take the 2t, divide by the v plus x. That's going to equal the v plus x times the m divided by the v plus x. So the right side, nothing happens, nothing cancels. So that's going to stay at 2t over v plus x. That's going to equal the right side, but notice what happens. V plus x cancels with the v plus x on the bottom. all that's left is our M final answer. Alright, now we got room for number 11, which would be our last problem. Alright, let me get that where I can see it. That is a T equals 707.1 capital Y all over capital M squared. I'm solving that for the M squared. So notice, once again, I would probably put a 1 under the T, and I got a fraction equal to a fraction, so I'm going to cross multiply. The T times the M squared gives me a T capital M squared. That's going to equal 1 times that top, which is just 707.1 capital Y. Alright, they want me to get the M squared by itself. I don't got to solve for the M because we don't know about square roots yet. So all they want us to do is get the M squared by itself. So since the M squared is being multiplied by the T, we're going to divide both sides by the T. So I got T capital M squared divided by T will equal 707.1 capital Y divided by the T. So notice on this side, those T's cancel, leaving me with the M squared, which is what they wanted me to solve it for. Alright, nothing on this side cancels because I don't have any T's up top, so that's going to stay 707.1 capital Y all over little t. Alright, y'all, that is the final one I had to do, so good luck and have fun.